to our camping field. We are the professional manufacturer of outdoor camping products. We can provide one-stop service for all the products what you need. Our main products are camping tent, floating chair, floating table, and some cook sets. Also, we can provide door-to-door shipping for you. It is convenient for you to receive the products, and also it can help you to save some time and energy to handle with these unnecessary issues. And also, we don't have MOQ requests for all of these products because we are doing stock all the year round. So if you are interested in our products, please contact with us. And for the details of our products, go with me, come on!